In this episode, we dive into the incident lifecycle per NIST 861. Open the Incidents tab to see the list. Each incident goes through 6 stages: open when just created, investigating when an analyst is working on it, contained once the threat is isolated, eradicated once malware is removed, recovered once systems are restored, and closed when the postmortem is done. Click an incident to see its details. You see key information, severity, source, linked alerts, assignee, and crucially the event timeline at the bottom. Every status change, every note, every piece of attached evidence is logged into an immutable timeline. This is a mandatory requirement of ISO 27001 and SOC 2 standards.